On Mook Juice. Is it recording?
Yo, what up, Mook? I know you ain't styles on myself. He styles on Mook. No, nigga, you on PT.
I was on PCP, my nigga. Smoking all that Sherman shit.
I was talking about you was going. I was going to ask him questions. No, because I got you going to ask him questions. You said I was going to fast.
No, what beat channel? Huh?
Yo, my new name is Young Stunner, you heard? It ain't even killing no more. Let me get my son too. Young Stunner, you feel me? New name Young Stunner. When you see me, don't scream killer when you chase me. Don't scream killer, man. Call me Young Stunner. $250,000 on the hat, nigga. What you talking about? $250,000 on the hat. You feel me? That's $250,000 on the hat right there. Young Stunner. That's $250,000. This ain't no Vince Bird, motherfucker.
That's beer back, my nigga.
Beer back. My mom's receiving that shit. This is Grizzly. This is Grizzly beer. This right now, so it's hard to get this. Look, and this is genuine leather, nigga. Persian. This ain't genuine leather, nigga. This is Persian. Look, it don't even shine skin. That's his real leather. Look at the side. It don't even shine like leather, nigga. I'm Rick Sherman. I'm on my Loso shit. You feel me? And if a nigga don't want to be seen, you feel me? You smell me? You feel me?
That's what he chopped.
I'm chopped. Always chopped. My son Mel.
G.F.M.
No, he was violent. He like the only nigga in Brooklyn still got Morbius, but my son Mel is clean. Oh!
Keep him clean.
Like I said, $250,000 on the hat. Nigga, Young New Money. Nigga, jewelry don't even cost that much money.
Shout out to D-Smooth.
Shout out to D-Smooth with the butter sauce.
Shout out to Billy, fresh home from work, my nigga.
Look at this tat. Look at Young Weezy.
Shout out to Rob Blood. He's still big beating.
That shit still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. I got 45 minutes.
Oh, that shit recording.
That shit's recording for bad long.
D-Smooth. Look at my tat.
Look at my tat. You can see it on the chest. You know what I mean? Take a little pain.
Look at my son tat.
Shout out to Crazy Gino on the corner by herself.
Shout out to Harlem.
I did. I can't do it no more.
Yo, man.
Say it about boroughs, about niggas.
Huh?
Yo, that's it. I'm on the run.
Young Cal.
Oh yeah, shout out to my 2 Amsterdam niggas from the zoo.
Oh yeah, the white niggas, yeah, all that circle.
Trey. This little dingy nigga. What's his name? Funny looking nigga. Oh, Gino, you know I'm coming to fuck with you. Well, me and Gino, you already know how to give it up. Straight from Garvey. What you got to say, Gino?
Middle finger to everybody. Fuck your baby. That's all.
Anyway.
Yeah, he a scout. He work with the net. Get that nigga.
No, he a snitch. I'm in his face. Young Stacks, T Fresh.
Oh, that's that killer the kid.